Hello students, we shall begin a new chapter, that is chapter 18, Madhu writes a letter. Okay, so lesson 18, Madhu writes a letter. It's a very small lesson, just 3 paragraphs of it. So it is, the content is that Madhu is going to write a letter to his friend. Who is the friend? Martin. So he's going to write a letter to his friend Martin and going to invite him to come for his birthday party. Okay, shall we begin the lesson? Okay. Madhu was very happy. His sister Nisha wanted to know the reason. It is Martin's birthday today, Madhu said happily. So Madhu, on the very morning, he was very happy. Seeing that happiness, his sister, what is the name of his sister? Nisha. So Madhu and Nishida, they are brothers and sisters. So one fine morning, Martin was very happy and his sister asked the reason for his happiness. Why are you so happy today? Who asked this? Nishida, his sister. It is Martin's birthday today. Who told this? Madhu told that I am so happy because the reason is that today is my friend Martin's birthday. Madhu said happily. Martin, your best friend, will you take me with you? Nishida asked eagerly. Okay. So, will you not take me for your friend's birthday? So, Madhu, brother, will you not take me for your friend's birthday party? Nishida was so eager to go there. So, yes, of course, surely I will take you. Let us buy some beautiful gift for him. So, when you also celebrate your birthday, your friends bring some gift for you, no? Okay, otherwise when you go to some friend's birthday, you also give some gift for your best friends. So the same way, Madhu also wanted to get some or buy some gifts for his friend. So Madhu told his sister that let us go and get some gifts for Martin. So when we go for birthday party, we can give. Madhu and Nisha bought a gift. They packed the gift. Martin's house was in same colony. So they were living in the same colony. They went to his house at 6 o'clock. At what time they went to his house? At 6 o'clock, maybe in the evening. So Martin's mother gave everyone sweets and ice cream. Mainly what we have in the birthday party? Sweets, ice creams, cake, all this, no? So Martin's mother, he was very lovely woman and Martin's mother gave everyone, all those his friends, sweets, chocolate, ice creams. So Martin had arranged some games for his friends. So what was there? Some games also he was arranged for his friends. So his friends were so happy. Nishida sang a song and also won a prize in the game. Nishida, Madhu's sister, was a good singer and she sang a song and got a prize also. That was a happy moment for her. Okay, all the children had a lot of fun. They had enjoyed very much. They had a lot of fun and enjoyment there. Okay, Madhu and Nishida came back home happily. They both came back home happily after the celebration of Madhu's friend Martin's birthday. Madhu also wanted to celebrate his birthday grandly. Who wanted to celebrate now his birthday? Madhu. Madhu also wanted to celebrate his birthday grandly. And his birthday was on Sunday. His birthday was falling on next Sunday. So he also wanted to celebrate his birthday. And what happened then? His birthday was on Sunday. The next Sunday was his birthday. He decided to invite all his dear and near ones. So, dear and near ones means his friends, relatives, and the neighbors and all. He wanted to invite on his birthday party. So, he decided, take the decision that to invite, to call all the dear and near ones. He sat at the table and wrote. He sat at the table and wrote. Now this is a letter. Here it is written here. Whom he is going to write? His uncle. Okay. And first he is writing the place name where the letter has to reach. He is in Bangalore. So he wrote the house name, telephone colony, Bangalore, 1st March, dear uncle. Okay, when you write the form of the letter. Okay, so I hope you remember that my birthday falls on Sunday next. So dear uncle, my birthday is falling on next Sunday. I hope you are remembering that. I have invited all my friends. For that, I have invited all my friends. Please come and bless me on the occasion. Please come and bless me on this particular or happy moment. So who is writing this letter? Madhur is writing this letter to his uncle, one who is in Bangalore. Okay, inviting for his birthday party. So, also bring Auntie, Tina and Ringu. So also bring your auntie and also their children. And pay my respect to auntie. Give my respect and means regard, love to auntie. Waiting for you, yours, love, mother. Madhur. Okay, this is the letter which is given. He is sending this to his uncle, inviting him for the birthday party. Now we will discuss the question answer also. It's a very simple and a small lesson. So we will discuss the question answer also, what is in it. So the first question, it is given here. Why was Madhur happy? What is the reason Madhur was happy? Why was Madhur was happy? Madhur was happy because of his best friend's Martin's birthday. No, it's very simple it is. Why he was happy? He was happy to go to celebrate his friend's birthday. Who was his friend? Martin. Second question is, whose birthday was it? Whose birthday it was? Martin. It was Martin's birthday. Now third question is, what did the children do at the party? What did they do at the party? It is written very clearly in the lesson. What did they do? They played games, ate sweets and ice creams. What did they do? They played games, ate sweets and ice creams. Okay. The next question is, to whom did Madhur write a letter? To whom did Madhur write a letter? Madhur wrote a letter to his uncle, inviting him for his birthday party. To his uncle, he has written the letter. It's only one word answer. You can learn very easily. The next question is, where does Madhur live? Where does Madhur live? Madhur lives in Bangalore. Where does he live? Madhur is living in Bangalore. So he is writing a letter to his uncle to come and join for his birthday party. Okay, Madhur where he lives? He lives in Bangalore. Okay. Now read the following sentences and underline the conjunction. What is conjunctions? You might have learned in the grammar class. What is a conjunction? Joining words are called a conjunction. It is written in the sentence here. A conjunction is a word that joins together words, group of words or sentences. Conjunction joins a group of words or a sentences. So we can say in a simple way, what we can say in a simple way, joining words are called a conjunction. What are the conjunctions? Are so many conjunctions are there. And but, if, okay, till, and so many other conjunctions, okay, so many conjunctions. So conjunctions joining the sentences together, words together, okay, so we can say that. So here it is, read the following sentences, underline the conjunctions. You have to underline the conjunctions. Okay, and I play football and hockey. I play football and hockey. So here what is the conjunction? And is the conjunctions here. So it is asked for you to do underline with the pencil there. And you will underline. Next one is, he plays cricket but not football. But is the conjunctions here. You will underline with the pencil. But. He will fall if he does not study. He will fail if he does not study. Fail. If he fail. If is the conjunction here. The next one is, I need an umbrella or a raincoat. Or is the conjunction here. Keep working hard till you succeed. Till is the conjunction here. He is playing well, so he will win the match. So is the conjunction here. Okay students, that's all today. We have discussed the lesson, explanation of the lesson. Madhur and the sister Nishida, and he is going for the birthday party of Martin, his friend, and also Madhur wanted to celebrate his birthday, and where Madhur is staying? Madhur is staying at Bangalore, and he is writing a letter also to his uncle. Only that much is in the lesson. We have discussed the questions, very simple ones, and also the conjunction part. What is the conjunction? Joining words are called a conjunction. Okay, rest of the exercise we will learn in the next class. Thank you students for listening.